is Al Thomas. I'm a TNS maintenance mechanic, and I've been with PECO for just over 3 years. I do everything in the substation from transformers to breakers. If we got to pull out a shovel, we pull out a shovel. In the substation, we got the controls to pretty much the whole city. And if you hit the wrong knob or cut the wrong wire, you're losing a lot of customers. So we all got to work together. So this communication is real big. We always got to keep the lights on. Even during the recession, we were working overtime. It feels good just having that stability and also being able to advance myself, take on a leadership role if possible, especially from where I came from. I worked in a dealership. There was times where I might have been one of a minority. So coming here, it feels good to see people that look like yourself and other ethnicities all working together, achieve the same goal. So yeah, it's a lot of opportunities. Anybody that's willing to learn, they'll help you. They almost go out the way to help you or answer your question. It makes a nice work environment.